Good morning for this Tuesday, November 5th. And we're looking at the stock AN, AutoNation. If you recall, yesterday we went long above the high of Friday since it was two consecutive inside patterns, right? Two consecutive inside patterns. Market gapped up, came down, got us long. If you remember, our first profit target was 49.56. Well, that was hit right here. Second profit target was 49.78. It missed it by 1 penny. Yesterday's high was 49.77 and missed it by one measly tick there. Now remember, that second profit target was really the first profit target, but the first profit target was 80% of the first profit target. So we always use that. 80% of our first profit target is a place where we're taking some profits off the table and we are moving our stops to either break even or we're locking in profits. So basically the market closed way down here last night and we got stopped out with a break even on the remaining portion of the position. Alright, so again, right here at the price of $49, right, $49.56, the market hit that first target right there. Took something off the table and we were looking for the remainder to get hit, and it missed it by one tick, so I moved my stop up to 15 20 cents above where the entry was and got stopped out on yesterday near the close. I mean, if you look at yesterday, we opened up down here, we rallied all the way up and closed near the low of the day, right? Near where it opened, right? In the bottom, I'd say in the bottom third for sure. So that is kind of negative, although, so I'm totally flat this market now. And basically the market has opened up lower today and the market is trending lower. So basically what we're looking for is if the market's able to break down through last week's low, then I would expect more selling to come into play. So off the weekly chart of the E-Mini S&P 500, I'm going to use the price of 1747 even. 1747 even. All right. 1747 even. If that number is broken to the downside this week, which is the weekly low, last week's low on the weekly chart is 1747, and I've got a bunch of charts up here, but I can't, for some reason on this screen, I cannot move. I'm having trouble with my screen, so I can't move it right now, so having some trouble. But this is a big number, I believe, 1747. Alright, if that's broken to the downside and we're actually able to close below 1747, then I think the market could move at least 20 to 30 points lower, 200 to 300 Dow points lower, if not more than that. Currently, right now, we're trading about 1751.5, so we're only 4.5, 5 points from last week's low. So that's what I'm looking for. So again, AN, the stock AN, I'm flat. This market made some money on this stock on the run up from yesterday, but it's a very short-term trade actually. Again, quick to bring those stops to just above break even. Started this trade off real nicely. Once we started getting that rally yesterday morning, immediately brought the stop up to below the intraday low, which gave this trade within 35 minutes of getting into the trade, a 3-to-1 reward to risk on this trade. So these are trades that you hope for, all right, and if you've got any questions, definitely let me know. But definitely go to the website, tradingconceptsinc.com. Click on the video series. We are, Doc, myself, and Dave Lucas are putting on a stock video series that I think you'd enjoy. So click on that link and opt in to get those free videos this week, okay? Have a profitable day and hope to hear from you. Bye now.